Actually, we are up to temperature. We're getting rock and roll here in a minute. Got a little debris in the water. Let's see what we can do. Alright. She popped off the water quick that time. Left Hagley Landing and Polly's Island, headed kind of up to Waka Wachi where, you know, I usually put out right near my house. Yeah, man, had a really quick takeoff. Had to be at least 8 seconds, full flaps. Pretty happy with that. I was wanting to get, you know, at least 10 seconds. My flaps kept messing up, and it ended up being the housing sliding in. So that's all fixed and done. Pretty pleased with that. Real beautiful day, man. It's the water's still 71. The air temperature this morning got a cold front come down through. It was cold, like 45, 48. Cold to me anyway. But I'm at about 350, 400 feet. Very comfortable, warm. But on the water, man, it's really cold. It's kind of weird. I guess it's all settled down on there, but just doing a little cruising. Just met a couple pretty cool guys, young guys putting out some nets, the wildlife department. They put in before me. Went by and threw a little smoke out at them. It's gonna be a while. Usually about, I don't know, December I need to put my doors on. It gets a little chilly. But I don't like them on, man. I like being out in the wind blowing on me. A lot of fun, man. I don't like them on there. Plus I'm on float, so I don't usually have them on when I'm flying floats in case you know, something happens and I'm upside down. I got to get out.